Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to announce that TraderCobb and Bitget have partnered up. Yes, we have spent much time looking at different exchanges that tick all the boxes for us margin traders to go long and short, and Bitget is the one we are most satisfied with. By opening up an account with the link below, you will get access to our Crypto Cradle trading course and the checklist strategy absolutely free. You'll also be able to get access to a Discord community. This Discord community will have myself and my team, as well as many other like-minded traders, pointing out Cradle trades that appear on the daily. You'll also be able to jump in and use our risk calculator, which is very, very useful. And for the first 300 people that click the link below and join, if you deposit $500 or more, you will receive $70 in your account as well. You'll also receive 10% off your trading fees. So don't hold back. Become the best trader you can be by joining up with Bitget and getting access to our free education and Discord group. Have a great day.